What would we find at the edge of the universe? What would we see? Would there be a definable edge? A place where everything we know of as being reality becomes so unrecognizable that we're unable to interpret what it is? Does reality and space-time cease to exist as we know it, or does our universe go on forever, for infinity? Our observable universe is defined by the distance light has traveled since the Big Bang, around 13.8 billion years ago. This gives a horizon of roughly 46 billion light-years in every direction due to the expansion of space itself. This observable edge is not an actual boundary, but the limit of what we can see because light from beyond this distance hasn't had time to reach us. Some theories suggest that the universe is infinite, an endless expanse that has no edge. But the concept of infinity is impossible for our human minds to fully comprehend. If it's infinite, traveling beyond the observable universe would simply lead to more of the same. Galaxies, stars, and cosmic structures that go on forever. But how could we ever know the universe is truly infinite? We could live infinite lives on a ship with infinite fuel, traveling at an infinite speed and never reach a conclusion. What if we gave up after 100 trillion years and assumed the universe was infinite after such a long time? We may have ended our journey 1 or 2 light years away from the universe's edge. The mystery would persist, and there is no way we could be certain of infinity. We would have to continue our infinite journey to ensure that we didn't give up on finding an end, as the end may always be only a few light years ahead of us. We would be on an infinite journey to prove an infinite universe, on a trip to travel an infinite distance to prove the universe goes for infinity. We would never come to a definitive answer. Let's assume that there is an end to the universe and discuss some of the mind-bending possibilities. Some theories suggest that the edge of our universe involves dark energy, the matter responsible for the expansion of our universe, which continues to accelerate, driven by this mysterious energy. If we traveled far enough, we would find a region in the universe where this expansion is even more extreme. Dark energy would behave differently at these great distances near the edge of the universe, leading to an exotic idea called the Big Rip. It's where space-time, the very fabric of the universe, begins to tear itself apart. The further you go into this abyss, the less influence the laws of physics would have, with all reality eventually coming to an end. If you were able to survive this far, you would be in a realm of pure dark energy where nothing else exists. It's nothing but a massive void filled with this strange energy. There is no space-time, no reality or existence, just oblivion. There's also the possibility of encountering exotic matter, hypothetical particles or forms of matter that violate known physical laws, such as having negative mass or allowing faster-than-light travel. While these concepts remain speculative, the edge of the universe, where conditions differ drastically from what we experience locally, could provide the perfect environment for such strange phenomena. Another theory suggests that our universe is actually a sphere and is instead finite but unbound, like the surface of the Earth. If you travel on this surface in one direction, it will bring you back to where you started, the same as if you flew a plane around the world. It would feel infinite because you could fly without end, never hitting an edge. It would give the feeling of infinity as you traveled round and round forever. This idea of universe spheres is also called the bubble universe hypothesis. Some versions of the multiverse theory propose that our universe is a bubble in a vast cosmic foam, with other universe bubbles floating nearby. If we traveled far enough, we might reach the wall of our bubble, where the physics of our universe end and the rules of another begin. Crossing into another bubble universe might mean stepping into a completely alien reality. The fundamental forces, such as electromagnetism and gravity, could behave differently. Stars and galaxies, if they exist in these other bubbles, might look entirely unfamiliar. The laws of physics might be so different that life as we know it couldn't exist. Or perhaps life takes on forms so strange we cannot comprehend them. Other theories, such as inflationary cosmology and string theory, suggests our universe is but one of many universes within a vast multiverse. Traveling to the edge of our universe in a multiverse might bring us into contact with these alternate universes, each with different physical laws, constants, and dimensions. However, interacting with or even observing these other universes would prove impossible, as they exist outside our universe in dimensions or realms inaccessible to us. This differs from the bubble universe hypothesis, as inflationary cosmology realities are not in the form of cosmic foam or bubble universes. Another theory related to the edge of the universe is the cosmic event horizon. It suggests that the edge of the universe is a boundary beyond which we will never be able to observe or interact with, due to the accelerated expansion of the universe. As we approach this horizon, time and space behaves in unexpected ways. Time itself would cease to exist beyond this horizon, and there may be a realm where the past, present, and future all blur together. If the universe is closed or cyclical, the end of one universe may lead directly into the birth of another in a never-ending cycle of creation and destruction. Similar to the cosmic event horizon is the theoretical concept known as black hole cosmology. It suggests that our observable universe could be located inside a black hole within a larger parent universe. This theory is considered highly speculative and not widely accepted due to a lack of evidence and significant challenges in testing it. There is an extreme hypothesis that's called the vacuum decay theory. It suggests that at the edge of our universe, we will encounter the extreme effects of quantum mechanics on a cosmic scale. It's a theoretical event in which a quantum fluctuation triggers the collapse of the entire vacuum state, resulting in the destruction of the universe at the speed of light. While this is purely speculative and incredibly unlikely, the edge of the universe could be a place where quantum phenomena manifest in ways that are unpredictable. Another theory is the quantum foam and higher dimensions theory, which suggests that the universe could be a projection from a higher dimensional space. At the edge of our universe, we might encounter the fabric of quantum foam, a seething, chaotic field of tiny particles popping in and out of existence in higher dimensions. We could find ourselves interacting with or observing these extra dimensions, fundamentally altering our understanding of reality. Time and space might fold in on themselves, giving way to new dimensions we've never experienced before. There is also a theory that goes in step with the idea we exist in a computer simulation. You can watch our explanation about our universe being a simulation in this video. It outlines evidence and ideas as to why this may be a theory to consider for the existence of our universe. If our universe were simulated, the edge may be similar to the quantum foam theory, where endless probabilities exist in a massive expanse of probability and potential. It would be seething with possibilities, with particles appearing and vanishing, acting like a boundary that could not be crossed or entered. The edge of the universe offers our imagination an endless stream of possibilities to allow our minds to conceive of ideas that can help explain some of the mysteries of our universe. If we travel to the edge of the universe, we do so in a spaceship in our minds that presents a myriad of strange possibilities, from encountering new forms of matter and energy to crossing into alternate universes. The edge of the universe remains one of the most intriguing frontiers in both science and imagination, blending the boundaries of physics, cosmology, and human curiosity.